Welcome to my channel. This is a short video about how you can understand consciousness in a simple way. What if consciousness was easier to understand than we think? Imagine a simple puddle of water. Not a brain, not a computer, just a puddle. And strangely enough, that puddle may help us understand how consciousness works. When you look into a puddle, you can see your reflection. That puddle does not create you, it organizes light into a picture. Without the water, the image disappears. Not because you disappeared, but because the surface that organized the information is gone. Maybe consciousness works a little like that. Your brain may not create reality itself. Instead, it may organize information into the experience of being you. Now listen closely. A puddle is not only about reflection. Water also carries waves. Drop a pebble and ripples spread. So sound can travel through water too. The puddle becomes a pathway for information, and your brain may work in a similar way, not as one solid thing, but as many moving waves sharing information together. Inside cells and brains, scientists study something called liquid-liquid phase separation, or LLPS. That sounds complicated, but it is actually simple. Imagine oil droplets forming in water, a simple example of liquid separation. Certain molecules gather together into tiny liquid droplets. Cells use these droplets to help organize signals, memories, and communication, like little puddles inside life itself. Not random chaos, but organized liquid teamwork. These droplets can appear, change shape, merge, and disappear, helping the cell decide what information matters. So maybe consciousness is not a magic switch hiding somewhere. Maybe it is more like a living puddle, a place where light, sound, memory, and information gather together until experience reflects back on itself. And just like a puddle reflecting the sky, your mind may be reflecting the universe, one organized wave at a time. Light waves in the form of photons and sound waves in the form of phonons. Consciousness made simple. Maybe we are all little puddles learning to reflect. I hope you enjoyed this one and have a good one.